Wow. It's really something.
Yeah. Hi, and welcome back to our show. I'm Dylan Just.
And I'm Mike Just.
And we are
Just Irises.
I try really hard to get shots of individual shots, stock shots, clump shots.
Of course.
So people get and that's why the videos have been helpful, because
Big
people
time.
can actually see
Big time.
a lot more about what the plant is all about.
Exactly right.
Smoking Heights here is actively breeding flat irises.
Oh, okay.
And it's having pretty good luck. Traditionally, they've been very difficult because they're infertile. They don't have all their reproductive parts, so you can't either they don't produce any pollen or they don't have any lips to pollen on.
This is a placata here, right?
This is a placata here, yeah. This is a little bit smaller flower, but from a distance the edge really looks black.
Yeah.
So it's it makes a really pretty show in the garden.
Yes, it does. Color patterns,
Very different.
But this is very, yeah.
Yeah, I haven't gotten through this section yet, trying to evaluate.
Look at this style. Look at the standards on this one. Look at that. That's
just a really
incredible.
Vibrant purple.
Yeah.
This is really unique here, yeah.
This one here I don't know yet. The only thing that's holding me back on this one is the flower size isn't really big.
Oh, I see.
The impact in the garden is amazing. Wow. Completely covers itself, and
it's soft pink and then the dark purple.
It's got incredible stems.
Look at how thick these flowers came in.
And
so
it blooms and blooms and blooms.
So it's a prolific bloomer. So what you might not gain in the size of the flower, you're gaining in the quantity.
In the quantity, yes, definitely. Super ruffled.
Yeah.
It has an incredibly ruffled flower.
Definitely. Yeah, this one's the Ruffle King.
Doesn't have the fragrance that
Paul
Black
has.
Yeah.
You know, that's the one thing that Paul Black, Sharp Dressed Man, all those types have that really strong sweet smell.
This is the Ruffle King.
This has just got really good ruffle.
Right.
Really nice ruffle.
There you go.
This one, like coming out, is just big.
Yeah. Yes. No, there's
that's
a lot.
Just like.
Wow, look at that bud.
It's really hard for me to make decisions on some of these.
Look how big this is. It's incredible.
Right.
I've got a lot of things that are very similar, and they have good stems, and I got to decide. You know, there's a lot of things that are just going to get thrown out because I can't do everything.
Yeah.
Right.
We'll see, and then you've got that, and then you've got the one behind you, and you see that they're both awesome, but they're quite similar.
Quite similar. So then I say go there because you got more ruffles and it's more of a pizzazz.
It's bigger.
So then you're stuck with that decision, trying to figure that out.
Trying to figure that out.
And then you look at some of the other stuff, and then you look at the other picture, and you think there's nothing like either one of them on the market.
That's the other thing.
And you're throwing things out.
Did you ever think about hybridizing just based on a specific scent? Like you have your Politas that have that grape, and then you have the vanilla, you have like the musk.
I've definitely thought about it, but I've never actually taken the time to do it.
Right.
So many other things to do, but you certainly could breed for fragrance.
This one's different.
Wow.
I like that one. It's definitely different.
Yeah.
But again, a lot of ruffles.
It's awesome.
It's got sisters that
You love the ruffles.
I know, the ruffles are amazing.
It's got sisters that I like that are better because they've got ruffle and they've got the stem. This color is a little bit weaker, but that one up there is also a sister.
This one looks nice too.
And then this one here, wow, not a flower yet. So.
There's a lot going on. So when you like cross these parents, like a lot of them bloom differently. Like this one, it like opens up like ours. So when they start like peeking out, they bloom differently.
Yep.
Like this one's like flat. Like ours bloom much differently. Is that like how big the iris is?
Well, if your bud is really pointed, you're gonna have your form is usually gonna be narrower, less ruffled. The squarer the bud is,
these are more broad.
The wider the bloom is gonna be.
I see. So these are really ruffly, Dill. That's why.
You can already see the ruffle, and you can see even light lace on the tips of the bud. Yeah. Good feel for the pansy face over there.
Yes, definitely.
There's a whole pile of sisters over there that are going to be really hard to make decisions.
So when you look at the decision making, you start with the branching, the budding, or do you start with you look first at the flower? Can I sell it, and then go down the line, kind of mentally?
Probably the first thing is whether I'm drawn to it or not, and think that it's commercial. And then once I decide that, then I count the buds and see if the buds are there, and then I have a close look at the form, and then whether the plant and the stem is good. Like when you look at that one there, it's pretty awesome all the way around because the stems are all above the foliage. The foliage is all upright and healthy, and there's got lots of buds. It's got good form. It's got bright color.
Right.
So it's kind of.
You're right. Yeah.
It makes it. That one makes it a pretty easy. Yes.
That's true.
Yeah. Then you get to some other things, and you're like, or then you get to things that are. You've got two sisters that look the same.
Right.
And then you got to decide, and then one of them maybe is more ruffled and maybe a little bit brighter.
Yes.
But the other one has more buds, and then you've got to decide which one you're going to go with, the one that's got the more buds or the one that's got the brighter color.
Right.
So that's really difficult.
Everything you
This
said.
one's
Yeah, makes
different
sense.
at stock, like throwing at stalks, but it
Yep.
definitely throws a lot of stalks from.
Yep.
Like,
and everything,
yeah.
And in 2-year clump they bloom differently. The flower size usually isn't as big as a single year planting. So the flower size will go down a little bit. Sometimes not all the stalks will have branching. So when you're walking through the 2-year clumps, you got to look and you got to kind of count and see what the see it's got a really wide branch there, and then it's got fairly tight branching in the center of the clumps.
Yeah.
So then it's got another fairly in between, so you can see that it can have a pretty nice stem.
Right.
Yeah, it's got the darker. It's got the bloom on it.
But
It's got the darker bloom
It's got the
stem.
darker bloom.
Yeah.
If you go in there and
Very
look,
good.
and they're all just straight up
Yeah.
and not much for buds.
That looks like Belgian princess, Daddy. This one looks like
Oh, yeah,
Belgian princess.
Yeah. Very good. You're right. It's just a larger form. Oh, there it is. Yep.
I
Something.
did that one a long time ago. I forgot about Belgian.
Oh, you did Belgian
I
princess?
did Belgian princess.
Wow.
We love that one. The falls on that one are just, they're some of the longest falls, I think, for the size of the flower.
It was named after one of the people over at Shriners. I love this color.
Ooh, this is something. This is spectacular.
This is very marketable. Feminine shades. All
Yes.
The light.
Yeah.
Yes.
Light earthy tones.
No, this is special. Yeah, that's definitely a winner.
I hadn't
Look
seen
at
it.
this, Daddy.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is what Paul was saying about the beer, that this has the ability to be space age, right?
Yeah.
Because of that little extension down the haft.
Do you mind if I pull the fall
Sure,
off or no?
sure.
Okay, thank you. Just wanted to see.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yep.
that's really something.
Yeah.
It's definitely different. It's definitely noticeable. That's for sure.
Wow.
For sure.
That is unique. So that's kind of like that pansy look, kind of?
Yeah, well, what happened is in the pansy face breeding, when I was breeding for that, it started out with just a dark haft.
Sure.
When I saw it in Barry's garden.
Okay.
It was just a dark mark on either side of the beard.
Okay.
And I thought I can work with that and make that more and more and more, and I just kept breeding with it. And the spot kept getting bigger and bigger in the different variations.
Wow.
And then there was a placata that happened in one of them. Just fell out. And it had the dark half bar, and that's where this all started coming from.
Wow.
I started breeding with those placatas that fell out with other things, and then you start mixing in, and we started mixing in getting the different dark colored style, if you can see inside.
Wow.
And that's what there's a variety I did many years ago called Ink Patterns that was a really good parent for different contrasting
Look at this
styles.
one.
Oh, wow.
And then see here, you pull this apart too, you can see the
Look at
different
that.
color
Yeah.
styles in there too.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's crazy.
The parent of this one here is two of my introductions from last year.
Okay.
It was For the Ages and Suspicious Minds.
Mm.
Created this one.
Wow, there's a lot of madness going on over there. On that half.
And there again, you got the big
Yeah.
pansy face blot.
Look at that.
See. Wow.
Very tall,
Very tall, that's for sure.
big stems.
Yes.
And they're holding up. That's the thing, right?
Yeah.
Then Paul was telling us, like, even if it's tall, but it keeps falling over,
Yeah.
it doesn't help.
No, if it's tall and falls over, that's really probably strike three. Probably should just say no.
Got it.
See, there's that dark half bar again.
Look at that beard.
It's just a matter of seeing a pattern that you really like, and I like that dark
It's
pattern
great.
that I was getting, and I just keep crossing it with
Yeah.
other irises that have that same pattern.
Well, it's a beautiful accent
Yeah.
to it, right?
That one's
It's
awesome.
and it
This
breaks
one-
it up.
this one's
Yeah.
awesome. Look at this.
yeah.
Unbelievable.
So it is considered a
Yeah,
placata.
this is a placata. It's got stitching and dotting that make up that's overlaid on the brown color.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So containing the stitching and dotting, even in the smallest cases, still makes it a placata.
Yeah.
Wow. Incredible.
Wow.
Incredible.
Jill, you having a blast or what?
Yeah.
Unreal, right?
Yeah, no,
Definitely. It doesn't look real.
this is what you wanted. You want these things that have all this branching and stem. Like, see, it's got a branch all the way down there.
Yeah. The blooming on it is
2,
big
3,
too.
4,
I noticed
5,
about your
6,
irises.
7, 8, 9,
All
10,
big.
12 buds.
12 buds, yeah.
12 buds. That's unbelievable.
That's unbelievable. The budding is big too. Like looking at this, it's like we know it's gonna come out big.
Yes, exactly. Yep.
And it did.
It's really something.
Amazing.
Yeah, you can tell it's not going to be heavy ruffles, or because you can see on the top of the bud already.
Right.
Yeah.
But you can tell that it's going to be fairly wide because of the fatness of the bud.
Well, I know
Definitely.
that when the ruffles are coming, I can tell, but it's really pointy.
Yep, yep.
Pointy. I know that those are ruffles, so I'm like, this one's gonna be ruffly.
Yep.
I don't know if anyone's doing this pansy look.
No, they're not.
They're not, right?
They're not. No, that's my
This is your thing.
thing.
I think this is fall.
This is awesome. This is the biggest luminon I've ever seen.
Yeah.
That is big.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
It's been in bloom for a long time.
This is, look at the size of this.
3 on like the top one.
Yeah.
Had 3.
Yeah.
Like right there. Like
Yeah, it's got
ours
3.
has never done that.
It's got 3 here too.
Wow.
Yeah.
See if it.
It's got 3 and then coming there. and
See, that's
the 3.
Yeah.
this is spectacular.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, that one there is one I like a
Wow.
lot. It's got really nice
That's cool.
form.
This one, yeah.
Really good
It looks like
ruffles.
mimosa.
Yeah. I did a program in California one year. They wanted me to do an origin of names program.
Okay.
Where they talked about how irises get their names
Oh, that's cool.
and why they had the name they had.
How many times you're driving on the road and you think of a name and you jot it down as you're driving? I bet,
I do.
right?
I dictate into my phone.
There you go. I figured.
See, there's things like this that are really interesting,
Wow.
and the form is really cool.
You know
Yeah.
What, you know what this reminds
Yeah.
me of? Haunted Heart.
But who is
But
somebody going to buy
Is someone
it?
gonna buy it because
I
of the
don't know.
color? I don't
I'll
know.
buy it.
If you look back and you kind of gets lost in the garden, but up close is really cool. I'll
And-
probably do it because it's got a good stem and it's different.
Magnetic lip is purple too.
Just plant it.
Oh, yeah.
Just plant it beside something that
And that's what you.
accentuates. And this here you're getting light lace
Yes.
on these.
Very ruffly here.
I like this one. It almost looks like a broken iris. It might be. Actually.
Oh yeah,
It's got the purple on the
yeah. It's got
falls.
flecking showing in.
Yeah, it's got.
Is that what that's called? Flecking?
Yeah,
See that though?
Yeah, I see it.
yeah. I haven't.
I like the beard on this too. It's like really big and it's like coming out.
It's kind of interesting. That there has been in bloom for a long,
What?
long time.
The heck?
Uh huh. Isn't that
Daddy.
big? Isn't that big?
What is going on with
Look
this?
at this. Look.
Look at.
Wow, that is insane.
It's getting ready to drop.
Oh my goodness.
You know the trick sometimes for those of this one here you can probably just pull it out, but if you're in an iris show, you've probably done that before where you blow on it, blow.
Oh, is that the
warm-
trick?
Yeah, you just keep
Oh really?
the warmth of your air will actually help to
What?
Look
drop
at
it.
that.
If you just pull it, it tears sometimes. There's that little bit of color on the backs of the ruffles. It kind of adds a little bit to it.
Yeah.
Wow.
That is incredible.
That is really something.
You got to keep this one. You got to keep this one.
It's pretty wild, isn't it?
It is. So here I'm standing with the seedling, and wow, look how big this is. Like look at this. Unbelievable. Compared to my hand, this is incredible. Look at this one over here. See if you can get back here. Look at this. With my hand behind it. That's incredible. That is like unbelievable. Have you ever seen an iris that big before? And look how sturdy these stems are too. It's holding this up so well. That's just unbelievable. Please order from Mid-America. Unbelievable.
We're having fun in the seedling patch with Dylan and Mike Just from Just Irises, and Dylan is having a ball
Yeah, this
looking
is.
at some
yep.
of the seedlings here.
I'm at Disney right now at Mid-America. This is unbelievable. Man, this is incredible. Order from Mid-America, please.
You're funny. Anyways, in the seedling patch, and we thought we'd share with you some of our adventures with this mammoth seedling here that's quite unique
Monster.
and a bit
Monster.
strange looking. Thanks for watching.